Okay, so still walking. I'm very deep inside this jungle. Okay, very deep. You can see this. Just this path is just asking me to follow. Let's see. Okay, I have taken out my knife. It's quite handy, you know. Just pull this button. Oh man, and take it out. So now going up. Yeah. Down there is the river. I'm sure you can hear the sound. You have to be alert when you are into such forest. I had few sips of water. Last break was like 5 minutes back, and I'm still like very thirsty, but I'm controlling it. I'm sweating like hell, and the more I sweat, the more water I lose from my body. So, but I can't have lots of water because I'm having just one bottle of water. That's it. And if I run out of water, I have this river. Okay. So as of now, I am avoiding this river. Again, I am on road. Okay. So my destination is this side in the valley. I came from down here, there, and there. I can see there is a small path going up, but I don't have any idea what is up there. And I have this river is coming from this side, so I'll head in this way. I don't care if it takes like 100-200 meters more. I don't care. I'll better be choosing a safe side. Wow. No, sorry. Wow, just look at it. How beautiful it is. Look. Coming out. Let me switch my camera. Look, told you, the road goes there, and again it goes back up there, or it's going like this and then coming. Okay, it must be like this, coming back and then going forward. Wow, this is amazing. Look how beautiful the nature is. And we humans are always keep on spoiling the nature, you know. I should only sit for a while and give you a little lecture. Oh wow, look. Oh man, wow, this is so beautiful, you know. There is no proper space for camping down there, otherwise I would have gone there and camped there and have lots of water. I could take a shower in jungle. Next time I should better bring girlfriend with me. A girlfriend? I don't have any. Anyways, for that I have to make one girlfriend, and then I don't want to talk right now. I'm enjoying the nature. Pretty hard one, but seriously, trust me. Okay. Anyways, another photo. Yep. Wow. Guys, I request you, from wherever you are just, if you are watching this video, please save environment. Avoid using plastic, avoid burning things unnecessarily, try to dispose them in a natural way. You know, there's some method, compost method, something which Amitabh Bachchan is endorsing nowadays. Wow, this is beautiful. What is this? So I think government of India should launch some kind of a subsidy program in which they should give this compost machine which can, you know, make this garbage into fertilizer stuff. Government should give it to each and every household on subsidy, irrespective of the place, be it urban, be it whatever. And yeah, something should be done, otherwise we are just killing our nature, just killing. I recently heard that a huge glacier as big as XYZ country got cut off from Antarctica or somewhere. And just imagine if it's floating, how dangerous it can be. It's a cause of concern. It's high time, guys, right? We all notice the change in nature, but how many of us are really trying to protect it, are really concerned? There was a time when we have lots of water here. Now things are changed. No, there's no way to go up there. I think hell no. Oh yeah, I should go a little more. Okay, little bit of rain. It started. No, I don't think there is no way. Fall back. Okay, fall back. Yeah, I have to go this way, straight, then in curve. And little bit of rain has started. Weather is still shining in Manali down there, Kulu Valley. Okay, so lots of vehicle movement is here. You can see. I just hope I get some good lift to my last destination so that I can track more. Let's see. Okay, just remember 4450, 14 curve, and again back. I've been walking for a long time. I haven't found any good place to camp so far. I just hope it doesn't rain. Until I get my camping location. Oh god, I have lots of this stuff. Oh man, look, this small leaves, dried leaves around my neck, and I'm sweating like hell. Aage sadak sankari hai. Okay, so the road is narrow from here, and if you can see the speed limit, earlier it was 30, now it's 15. यार पहले भी ये सिंगल लेन था, और सिंगल लेन से क्या करोगे और पतला क्या करोगे. This is beautiful location, but again, as I told you, no good place to camp. Okay, another curve and another curve. Wow, look up there, it's a beautiful mountain. Okay, it's 4610. This is the length of the road. I don't know from which place. Curve 15th. Oh wow, just look how amazing it is. Wow. And this river is coming from there, there deep inside this. Okay, there is no shortcut from here. I'm gonna go back there, then there, and it's raining. Let me. Bad clouds up there. Just look at the mountain up there. Whoa. Okay, I'm little thirsty, so this hole looks good. Still, I'm gonna check the water first. No, it's not clean, I think. Wow, it's cold, but it's not clean. Like, lots of things are inside this. I should better check up there. Little go inside. Sorry if I am disturbing any creature. Look, this is. Water is not clean, and I'm not in that much of urgency that I need to drink this water. I washed my face, feeling a little good, but it's raining. It started raining. Please, 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 just stop it. Stop it. Okay, I got another source of water. I'm gonna check here. I'm a little hungry now. This morning I just had 2 parathas, that's it. No, I don't think this will be a good water source. Too much water. It only looks like. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. As I'm going deep inside, I'm exploring beautiful view. Beautiful. Oh. I need to pace up my speed a little because weather is not good and I don't want to walk in rain. I should better get a shelter or something. Even if I have to camp here, doesn't matter, it's good because I have lots of water here. No worry. This is some kind of a man-made thing. You see the slope, so there should be some village or something here nearby, if I'm not wrong. Let's look. Lots of cows. Oh. There are mid steps. I don't know what it is for. I won't go near water right now because I don't have time. So it says cows 17, 5,046. It goes like this, then again this. I'll go this shortcut. Oh man. Lots of friendly plants are here. I'm very hungry. I don't know. Yes, I told you earlier. I had just 2 parathas in the morning. That's it. And after that, nothing. Carrying few chocolates. This is a never-ending deep valley. Oh, look, road is up there, and I think it goes somewhere up there because I can see some kind of construction up there. Okay.